Good evening. Well, as you may have heard on the news, there are some treacherous conditions across the country with further sleet and snow overnight, particularly through parts of East Munster, Leinster and parts of Ulster and Connacht later in the night. Now, there seems to be, I'm afraid, a problem with our technical system at the moment. Here it is. 5 centimetres of snow or more in these areas, in addition to snow that we've already had there, and also, as I said, in East Connacht and in Ulster. And it's all due to this system here, a very active one, which brought very heavy rain there through parts of the southwest, but it turned increasingly to sleet and snow as it travelled further northwards, running into very low temperatures. Now here it is on our weather chart, and it's creeping really only very slowly northeastwards. In fact, tomorrow it'll bring outbreaks of mostly rain and sleet through parts of Ulster and parts of Leinster, though it should fizzle out as the day goes on, and it'll be a lot drier with just scattered showers through many parts of Munster and parts of Connacht. Severe frost everywhere with icy conditions tomorrow night, and cold and frosty on Thursday, but a reasonably bright day. Later in the day though, we'll have rain with freshening winds pushing in from the Atlantic, and it will become a lot milder overnight, very mild indeed by Friday. Over the weekend it's going to be cooler but not particularly cold. So for the BT Young Scientists exhibition, no problems really, and RTE weather will be there of course from Thursday through to Saturday. And if you'd like to see the opening ceremony, it'll be streamed live on the RTE website tomorrow afternoon 2 to 2:30. Back to the weather though, and overnight further outbreaks of rain, sleet and even snow through many parts of the east and north of the country, but drier here in the west and southwest. The winds gradually easing, but that means temperatures are going to fall close to freezing in many areas by morning with widespread frost. A cold day tomorrow with the sleet and rain tending to fizzle out in the north and east, drier elsewhere with scattered showers, but a very cold day everywhere, light to moderate winds between southeast and southwestern direction. That's all from me. Good evening.